I want to thank you for viewing this PlyGem YouTube video on tips how to install vinyl siding. Today we're going to talk about gable vents. We've got Eric up there flashing this gable vent. So let's tell you about how gable vents are installed and the options you have. With gable vents, you have tons of options. You have round, octagon, round top, rectangle, square, half round. We're going to show you just a couple here. Eric's going to show you the rectangle that we're going to put on here, but we also want to just show you as an example the octagon type. We're going to show you how they work. These are all two-piece gable vents. So he's showing you the back. He's going to pull off the base. They easily remove. We've already got the base up for the rectangle, but it has a netting in it. And you can see it also has a line around all four sides that's marked at 1/4 inch. This is unique to PlyGem. That will actually show you where you run your siding so you don't make it too tight. We'll talk about that in a second. So what Eric's actually done here, he's put the base up, and he's got it on a hole on the wall, but I want to show you something. A lot of times people don't want to make it a performing vent, and they just want it for decoration because they have a continuous ridge vent. So this can be attached directly to the wall like Eric's doing. But in either case, you still want to flash the vent, especially if you got an open hole here going into the attic. So he's put 9-inch flashing on two ends, and again, he put a bead of sealant underneath. We're not going to do the other two flashings. We're just going to show you how this is installed. So you want to nail that in wherever you need to, and then you're going to go ahead and you're going to put your siding onto the wall. We're going to talk to you about the siding. So we're going to put the piece, we've already cut it up around the window. So you want to make sure when you put the siding in around the vent, you want to use that 1/4 inch line on the vent. And again, we're not going to nail it, but you can see clearly it has a 1/4 inch gap. And remember, that's very, very critical because that allows the panel to expand and contract around the vent. So he's showing you that. So once it's all around the whole vent, we just put it underneath. You go and you take that cover and you actually just snap it right on very easily, right onto the base, and you've got your vent up. It looks great. It can be functioning or it can be not. It can just be on the wall, and that really will help your house look better and get air in when you want to. Again, thanks for checking out our YouTube video. Continue to check out your YouTube for more PlyGem vinyl siding tips.